Makita provide two alternatives to nylon heads for petrol and battery operated line trimmers. These are provided with 3 thread sizes. In this case, we're using the M8 by 1.25 left-hand thread. Place the adapter in the top cover. Place the 3 blades on the pivot pins provided. Attach the clamping cover over the locator pins. Ensure you replace the inner flange before attaching the head to the thread. Insert the Allen key and tighten securely, and make sure all blades are free and rotating. Make sure the blades are facing in the same direction of rotation marked on the back of the guard. These work best in the direction indicated on the back of the guard for best results. And if you come across something hard, the blades will swing back away from the hard object. The 255mm diameter straight blade unit is also provided with the same thread adapters. Place the correct thread adapter in the head, hold it securely, and replace your inner flange and attach your head. Lock your shaft and tighten securely. These blades are perfect for edging, even up against hard surfaces, as well as heavier foliages and normal long grass. No more frustrating nylon head issues.